If some apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone have stopped working correctly, notifications are missing, or the wrong app keeps opening certain files or links, resetting your app preferences can often solve the problem. This feature restores app-related settings to their default values without deleting your apps or personal data. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung Galaxy phone and locate the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap it to access your device settings. Step 2. Scroll through the Settings menu until you see Apps, then tap it. This page displays every app installed on your phone, including system apps. Step 3. While on the app screen, look in the top right corner for the three-dot menu. Tap this icon to open additional options related to app management. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, tap Reset App Preferences. A confirmation window will appear explaining what settings will be restored. Resetting app preferences may re-enable disabled apps, reset default apps for actions and file types, restore app notification preferences, reset background data restrictions, restore permission restrictions to their default settings. Don't worry, your installed apps, personal files, photos, videos, contacts, and documents will not be deleted. Step 5. After reviewing the information, tap Reset to continue. The process only takes a few seconds, and no restart is usually required. Once the reset is complete, check the app that was causing problems. If you previously selected default apps for web links, PDFs, or other file types, you may need to choose your preferred apps again the next time you open those files. If you customized notification settings for certain apps, you may also want to review and adjust them. Resetting app preferences is one of the safest troubleshooting methods available on Samsung Galaxy devices. It helps fix common software issues without affecting your personal data or removing installed apps. If problems continue after the reset, consider updating the affected app, clearing its cache, or restarting your device before trying more advanced troubleshooting steps.